My name is DW from Ocean ATM, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Kaba lock. The first thing you're going to do is push up and get the lock off the screws. After you have done that, you are going to unplug your 9-volt battery and replace it with a new one. Once you have replaced it, you're going to wind up the wires again the best that you can, put it back on to the screws. After your lock face is back on, you're going to test it to make sure that the battery is good, and you're all set. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe.